another developer. It's just very basic data for now. Now we've got Bethesda. We've got Bethesda, the ID of 3. So if I now try and create a game, with a developer ID of 3, it's not created that developer ID. That's a problem. I need to figure that out. What's going on with this? I definitely don't need developer ID in that protected class. Well, I do, but it's for game, isn't it? And it's in there. Oh yeah. So let's just change this. Let's do migrate fresh and get rid of all the data. Back into here. Create Bethesda. That's successful. Come into Fallout. Create that. That's successful. Back into the database. Refresh. Still no ID. Alright, well, that's because I rushed it, didn't I? So, migrate fresh. Create the dev. Into the database. ID of 1. In here. Create a game. Back to the database. Oh, still no developer ID. What is going on? What have I not done? To create that ID. Do I need to create a new pivot table here? No. Okay. Let's have a look at our request. Yeah, developer ID's got to go in here. And it's got to be... This one's a bit weird because we know it's nullable. And we know we need an ID, so it's gonna have to be exists. Yeah, so it's gonna be developers ID. So migrate fresh again. Create the developer. There's an ID of 1. Developer ID of 1 because Fallout 4 belongs to Bethesda. And we've got a developer ID. Fantastic. So let's go to the database. Refresh that. Developer ID. Yes, sir. So that means now this should work. Maybe running before we can walk. Let's just check. No, that should be okay to show the developers at the very minimal. Can I add? Not that. And then that would be /ID. So that would be /1 in our case. Method not allowed. Huh? Of course it's allowed. Just double check that request. Well, I don't know what that means. So that's a specific developer. No, that's a 500. Why would that be a 500? So the developer controller. Okay. I've not even added in the bloody view for the controller. So we can actually list. Oh yeah, we have actually. This one's a list here. That should work. I don't know why. There's a reference. Still giving me a 500. I don't understand that. Too few arguments. Non-pass. We just had this problem. What was it? God damn you. Just give me that for now. Let's restart this server. Just to make sure. And hopefully too few arguments, but I don't need to pass any arguments. So let's too few arguments on controller, developer controller index. Oh, it's the too few arguments. There we go. Fuck you. We got there. We got there. So, can we do the same for games? No.